Good morning, everybody. I'm Carl Lewis with the Connie Hudson Senior Center. I'm the facility supervisor here, and today we're here with Cynthia Slover, and she is going to create delicious apple salad for us.
Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, no, no. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Till I come marching home.
So the first step in making your delicious apple salad is to peel and cut your apples. So when you cut your apples, you are going to want to cut them in about 1/2-inch cubes.
All right, everyone, after you've cubed up the apples, you'll take it and you'll have to mix it with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Step 3 is to chop your celery.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next ingredients that we're going to be adding is going to be 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 cup of miniature marshmallows, and 2/3 cup of light mayonnaise. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to add the last ingredient for this, for the delicious apple salad, and it's going to be 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. And she's going to mix it in.
The last and final step for the delicious apple salad is to refrigerate it covered until you're ready to serve it. And then you just enjoy.